Hi everyone, my name is Nader, and in this video, I'm going to give you a short demo of OmniCart's product suite. We are going to start the demo with the Marketplace app, which is the end user or consumer-facing product. Users can start the process by logging in or signing up via their phone number. Once the initial login is done, users can search for their address and select their location. After that, users will arrive at the home page where they can browse a list of merchants nearby or search for a desired merchant if they know what they're looking for. In this case, I'm looking for demo restaurant, so I'm going to search and select it. That will bring me to the product listing page of that merchant, where I can browse a catalog of items made by that merchant, review a single item, make modifications to it if I need to, and an option to leave special requests for the merchant before adding it to my cart. If everything about my cart looks okay at the end, I can go to checkout, where users can see some additional options such as pickup or delivery for their orders, and finalize their checkout. Similar to the Marketplace app, we offer a web solution, the MarketplacePWA, which is a light version of that app that runs on browsers, both on desktop and mobile, for users who do not want to download an app. Similar to the Marketplace app, we can select the merchant. In that merchant, add items to the cart, review the cart if it looks good. To speed up the process, I'm going to switch over to an order that I've already added all the details to, and one final screen to make sure the order looks good, and I'm going to place my order. Once the order is placed, users will arrive at the order details page, where they can see the progress of their orders and some additional details about that order. If they lose this page, they can access it from the orders tab, among other live orders that they might have, and also order history, as well as a quick checkout option here. So now would be a good time for me to show you our merchant panel. So I'm going to expand my screen. So here on the right, you should be seeing the merchant dashboard on the orders tab with my new order coming here at the top. And now on the left, you're seeing the driver app with my driver listening for incoming requests. So let's see what happens when a merchant wants to accept a request. They can click on that new request, review the details of it. From top to bottom, we have customer information, order information, some details about the pickup address and the driver status, the bill details, and the dispatch information. So right now, our system is telling the merchant that the next driver will be able to arrive in 8 minutes. If that looks good, the merchant can select that option and accept the order. As soon as the merchant accepts the order, you can see my driver got a dispatch request here with the location of the pickup. So while the driver is reviewing that, we can also see on the right that the merchant is getting some information about the driver status. So right now it says it's looking for driver. So I'm going to go ahead and accept the request as the driver. And now my driver is getting some directions to go to the pickup location, and my merchant is seeing the driver status on here. So let's go ahead and force the pickup of that order. Now we can see that the order status has changed to on the way. The consumer also sees that the order is on the way with 7 minutes to go. And my driver is getting the directions to the drop-off. So once again, let's go ahead and complete the drop-off. And you can see the order status is now changed to complete. And the consumer sees the status updated here. So that should cover the entire ordering process with the consumer and merchant involved. Now, I would like to show you one other thing about the merchant dashboard, which is the menu management system and the online store. So under the menus, merchant can update and edit their menus on the fly. And we have made a hierarchy of menus, items, and modifiers to give the merchants a lot of room for customizability. So merchants can edit the details of each menu, such as the hours, the images, and the types of the menu, as well as the details of the organization in that menu. So they can move around categories, move around items, add or delete items, and all these changes will be reflected immediately on their online stores. The next level of hierarchy is the items, which they can change the details of each item by clicking on it, adding descriptions, images, price, different price options if they need to, different tax options, and other type of settings such as alcohol containment or dietary restrictions. So with that, I would like to show you one other product that we have, which is our admin panel. And this product would be facing our main customers. So on the admin panel, our partners will be able to get some analytics about their business. They can manage their signups that has been done by their merchants and accept or reject any merchants that wants to join their platform. They can review incoming orders and carry out the same actions that the merchants would be doing, namely accepting or rejecting, and other functions such as managing their staff, managing their live cities, and other admin functionalities.